Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today we will begin our topic structure and function of chromosomes. Definition of chromosome: it is a combination of two words, that is, chroma means color and soma means body. So, the colored thread like body is present in the nucleoplasm of the living cells, which help in the inheritance, that is, transmission of characters in the form of genes from generation to generation, are known as chromosomes, that are colored bodies. Number of chromosomes: the number of chromosomes per organism is always a definite number, which is said as diploid number, but gametes, sperms, ova, etc. carry haploid numbers. Some examples are given. Name of the diploid number, organism 2 and organism 2 and okay. Human beings have 46, onions have 16, cats have 38, and corn have 28. 20. Physical structure: size varies from 1 to 30 micron in length and diameter from 0.2 to 2 micron. Centromere, the non-strainable part of the chromosome making primary constriction, is known as centromere. Chromatids: two chromatids join at the centromere to form a chromosome. Chromonema: in each chromatid there are two longitudinal chromonema coiled with each other. Clear? Chromomeres: in each chromomata or chromonemata there are bead-like chromomeres present throughout the coil. Genes: each chromosome contains genes, the unit of inheritance of character. Constriction: presence of centromeres shown the primary constriction, but in some cases there is an additional secondary constriction. Satellite: in some chromosomes a round and elongated satellite is present, is called satellite secondary constriction. Such a secondary constriction, if present in a distal region of an arm, would pinch off a small fragment called the trabant or satellite. Clear? Types of chromosome: they can be telocentric, they can be acrocentric, submetacentric, and metacentric. Telocentric: the chromosome, the centromere is present at the end of the chromosome as shown in the diagram. Acrocentric: the centromere is almost terminal. It has one large and another very small arm, shown in the diagram. Submetacentric: here the chromosome or centromere is not at the middle position of the chromosome, so the arms are unequal and is L-shaped in appearance, as shown in your diagram. Metacentric: the centromere is at the middle position, so the arms are equal and is a V-shaped in appearance. If we'll talk about the chemical structure, chemically the chromosomes are made up of proteins and nucleic acids. Proteins: it is mainly proteins, histones, and smaller amount of acidic proteins. Nucleic acid: it is deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. Genes are nothing but the segments of DNA. Here few structures are shown in the diagram. If we'll talk about the nucleosome, a nucleosome is the basic unit of DNA packaging in eukaryotes, consisting of a segment of DNA wound in sequence around 8 histone protein cores, forming an octamer. Octa means 8 and mer means unit. This structure is often compared to thread wrapped around a spool, as shown in your diagram. Core histones are H2A, H2B, H3, H4, each one into 2. Okay. Function of chromosome: the chromosomes are capable of self-duplication. During duplication process, the DNA strands unwind. As unwinding starts, each template of DNA forms its complementary strand in double helix nature. The conversion of the old DNA molecules into two new molecules help in duplicating the chromosome. Self-duplication of DNA molecule is depicted in this diagram, in which single DNA molecule in double helical structure, mother templates unwind and new complementary strand originate. Unwinding continues along with the new template formation. Two separate DNA molecules formed having an old and a new strand. Clear? Functions of chromosomes. They help in expression of different characters in an organism by synthesizing proteins in cells. A definite protein is accumulated to produce a definite character. Third function is as the carrier of gene, they transmit characters from generation to generation, from parents to offsprings. The chromosome control the physiological and biochemical processes in the body of the organism. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay motivated. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.